friends, my title of the story is Sleeping Beauty. Once upon a time, there was a king and queen who loved each other very much. They were eager to have a child. Before long, their wish came true. The queen gave birth to a lovely princess. The king held a party for the princess. Fairies came to give the little princess blessings. An uninvited old witch came angrily by herself. The old witch announced loudly, "The princess will be stabbed to death by a spindle." A fairy said, "The princess will sleep for 100 years. There will be brave prince coming to save her." The king ordered the whole nation to burn every spinning machine. The princess grew up. She was beautiful, gentle, kind and smart. One day, the princess turned 15. The king and the queen went out. The princess was very boring. She moved around aimlessly. At last, she came to a tall building. She saw an old woman spinning with a stage machine. Guided by the old woman, the princess touched the spinning spindle and fainted on the ground. The old woman turned out to be the witch. Fairies all came. They used the fairy wards to make the whole palace asleep, including the king and the queen. Then the palace was surrounded by thorn hedge. 100 years later, a prince passed by the palace. He heard about the story of the sleeping princess. The prince wanted to see this princess. He came across Fairy on his way. Fairy gave him a sword and a shield. On his way to the castle, he found with the witch. After a few rounds, the witch escaped to the castle. The witch turned a broom into a flying dragon. As soon as the dragon rushed to the prince prince's sword flashed a light. The dragon was frightened to come forward. The dragon sprayed fire to the prince. The prince blocked the fire with his shield. The shield reflected the fire back to the witch. The witch was burned to death and the flying dragon disappeared. The prince jumped across the thorn hedge, came into the yard. He found that all animals and plants were in sound sleep. The prince searched the castle, finally found the beautiful princess. As soon as the prince saw her, he was attracted by her beauty. He kissed the sleeping princess. A miracle happened. The princess woke up, so did the whole country. The king and the queen decided to let the princess marry the prince. From then on, they loved each other devotedly and lived a happy life. Thank you.